Okay, I wanted to show you another trick. A lot of times when you're looking at objects, they're symmetrical. So like the can, right? The jar of spaghetti sauce, even the box of mac and cheese, if it's straight on, would be symmetrical. And so sometimes what you'll want to do is to use a ruler, right? And draw a line for the middle of the object. And you can see that I drew it kind of lightly, right? Because I don't want to draw it too big or too dark because it's not something that would stay. It's just kind of something that helps us and guides us. So what you could do then is to maybe draw one side of the bottle, right? And then try to mirror what that looks like on the other side. So as I'm looking at this, can kind of do some visual measuring, which we'll talk about in just a little bit, right? So I can get an idea of what the shape of this bottle is going to look like, right? So remember, it's still nice and sketchy, right? And I can keep fiddling with this until I'm happy with the shape. Actually feel like it needs to be a little bit longer. So I'm going to bring it down and around. All right, so notice how I'm using my arm to draw. Trying to put the label in. And if I make a mistake, notice how I'm not bothering to go in and erase it. I'm just fixing it as I go. You just need, practice and a little bit of confidence to kind of get through there. It's not necessary to put in every last detail here, right? But if I have the time, I might as well use it. Okay, so then I can compare. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll hold it up next to it and I'll see what I did. So like here, I think this comes down a little bit farther. So then I can kind of fix that and make it symmetrical. So it should be pretty much the same on both sides. Right? I can make corrections to that drawing to make it look more realistic.